Close your utilities online promptly when moving house to avoid continued billing and credit issues. Start by gathering your account numbers, service addresses, and the exact move-out date for each utility provider. Then log into each provider portal to initiate a closure or transfer request at least 2 weeks before moving. Use the provider portal options rather than phone calls when available, because portals create electronic records that are easy to save and reference. If a final meter reading is required, take a clear timestamp photo and upload it if the portal allows, or email it to the provider immediately after leaving the property. Turn off automatic payments at your bank and within each utility account, separate from closing the account, so you do not have duplicate actions that interfere. Then confirm the AutoPay cancellation in writing through the portal or by email. Request a final bill be sent to your preferred email, and keep screenshots of the confirmation page and any reference or confirmation numbers. Save these in a dedicated folder with the photos and correspondence. If you are transferring service to a new address, schedule the start and end dates so there is no overlap or gap, and verify the billing responsibility will switch on the precise dates you select. Common mistakes include assuming a phone call alone will stop billing and then losing the proof needed for disputes. So always use the portal or follow up the call with an email and save the confirmation. Another frequent issue is forgetting to cancel automatic payments, which can cause a payment to post after the account is closed. So remove AutoPay both in the utility account and at your bank, and watch for one final automated charge. People also forget to provide or record a final meter reading, which can lead to estimated bills. So take a clear timestamped photo of the meter and submit it through the portal or email right away. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors by connecting them with professionals who handle moves and utility transitions related to home projects. We also help contractors find work through our listings, and we host a discussion community where users can ask questions and share experiences about closing accounts and preparing for moving house.